Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Dear students, you see so many birds around you.
Yes, I'm also a bird from India. But there is only one bird in India which is known as peacock. This is our national bird.
Do you know why a peacock is called our national bird? Yes, because it is the most beautiful bird. It has fan shaped, colorful feathers and it dances beautifully in the rain. We can also see its feather in the mukut of Kanhaji. Children, do you also have its feather at your home? If you have, then share it with your teacher. Okay, goodbye.